Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. So I wanted to share something with you guys, and that is basically the consolidation that we're seeing in Bitcoin. So you see this price, we've come up in Bitcoin, come up here, made these highs, big pullback, right? Now it just seems like we're consolidating sideways. Everybody's wondering what's wrong with crypto or what's going on, not going anywhere. Are we going to go lower? And so you see that in this chart here. But notice that this chart is actually back from 2016. All right. So this is a pattern that we see in Bitcoin. And I'm going to get into that a little bit more in another video, but I just really briefly in this short video, just spend like 5 minutes showing you guys that when Bitcoin, and this happens all the time, Bitcoin goes up steeply, gets into overbought territory, has a sharp correction, you're always going to get a period of consolidation. Now, if you look at what happened back, this was early 2016. You know, it's kind of similar, right? December run up. So this is December here. Okay. So you have a December run up, first of the year, week. This is a very seasonal thing with Bitcoin. But after these run ups, you get these periods of consolidations. They could be a triangle, they can be a pennant like this is. This is a pennant. But notice what happens after we consolidate. This is the same pennant, it's just scaled a little differently so we can zoom out and see what happens, but we break out of that consolidation. Okay, so that's what we're waiting for currently in Bitcoin. And even in this one, it broke out nicely and pulled back sharply. I think you would probably see something similar, but then again, it comes out of that, consolidates again, and then moves up again and makes new highs actually. And I think that's exactly where we are. Now, if we look in today's chart, you can see the same thing. We ran up, pulled back hard, and now we're in this period of consolidation. So, you know, when we have these consolidations that are forming, and we need to give it time to form, but I think now we have good bones here for a pennant that's forming. So the trades on this are just basically easy. You're going to go long in these areas where it's hitting it. Your stop can be very short because it should hold these trend lines, but you have nice upside targets to hit up here. All right, so, and this could go on, you know, this could go on for another month like this. A lot of people, including myself, were looking for kind of a breakout of the range in this month, but, you know, we have to kind of adapt to what price is telling us or giving us. So it is, you know, we could be looking at this for a bit longer than we all would like, but not to say that there isn't opportunities in here to trade this. You know, Bitcoin, we can make money up and down and sideways. You just have to kind of identify where the support and resistance areas are. So anyway, just really quickly, I wanted to show you guys that consolidation is actually pretty normal after a big run up. And I'll do another video, kind of shows the history of the different types of bounces that we get, whether they're consolidations or V formations. So anyway, I thought I'd run that by you guys and kind of keep things in perspective here. All right, until the next video, thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Trade Genius.